Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to change the battery in the Corvette C7 key fob. It uses a 2032 battery, and I will have a link in the video description below. So we push this small button first, which releases the emergency key. Then, with a small screwdriver or a nail file, something like that, there's a small little piece right here that you push up, which starts to separate the case. You can push it up a little further, and then you get the case separation on the other side, and you can just carefully pry that apart, and then it will separate into two pieces. Now, be careful. This piece is the button or the lever that releases the emergency key. It has a spring inside of it. It is spring loaded, okay? If it pops out, put the spring back on the little cylinder and then slide this over it, and then it grips in by two little pins. Here's the battery. Again, a 2032. It's pretty easy to release. It just pops right out just like that. And there's the battery, 2032. And then put it with the plus down. It says plus here. There's a little plus inside that circle. Plus down, and then we're going to reassemble it. This is the little button that has to go in that little slot right here. So carefully line those up. Now we see the button coming through the slot, and then this will literally snap back together. The emergency key goes back in here. It clicks, and you are done. Again, a 2032 battery. Hey, thank you for watching. If this was helpful replacing the battery in the C7 Corvette, please click thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thank you.